Hello everybody and welcome to today's extreme clean with me where we are tackling my washing machine. So I just showed you a before of everything that was on my washing machine, and I'm going to teach you guys not only how to clean your washing machine but also how to take parts of it apart to clean that as well. So we are going ahead and getting right on into the video. I warn you, this video is extremely nasty. I can't even believe I'm sharing it with you guys, but I really wanted to show you guys this real life mess. So I'm going ahead and using the CLR as I showed you, and I'm going ahead and pulling back the gasket here with a toothbrush so that I can really get in the cracks and the crevices of our washing machine, and going ahead and getting it as clean as I can. I needed to let the CLR sit on there a little bit longer, so while I was waiting for that, I wanted to go ahead and clean the inside of the glass here. As you can see, it was really gross and dirty. And for those of you that do not know, we do have a dog, and so you'll notice there is lots of dog hair in our washing machine, and you'll see some other stuff a little later in the video here as I'm sharing it with you. Heading back into the gasket here, you can see the CLR is turning dirty, so it is coming off and it is taking a lot of elbow grease. So I realized that it probably wasn't going to get all of the black mold and stuff off of here. And so if you haven't seen my extreme clean with me in my bathroom, I did end up using Lysol toilet bowl cleaner, and it worked really well, and I can have that video linked here. It's pretty gross as well, but I'm going ahead and trying that. So I'm going to let it sit on here for about 15 to 20 minutes or so, and letting a paper towel kind of sit so it holds it all in place before moving on. Get ready guys, because it is going to get really, really nasty here. Okay, you can hear my dryer in the background, so I hope you can still hear me, but I'm gonna let that sit now, and we're gonna go into this little cubby here, and you can see there is a hose that comes out and then the filter. So take out the filter. Oh, if I can get this out, hang on. Okay, so that was a bad idea. Water just came out, so maybe we should do the hose first. Okay, so you get the hose, and then I'm gonna have to put the camera down. Okay, and then you take off the cap. Ew, you guys, I was trying to get a close-up and I let the hose go and it leaked everywhere. You guys, the smell of this was absolutely disgusting. Like, even just watching the footage back reminded me of it, and I could honestly almost get sick over it. It was so gross. But I ended up snaking it, and it ended up coming out. As you can see here, the water was so gross. There was sand everywhere. We live really close to the beach, so I'm not really surprised, but I wanted to go ahead and get that all cleaned, and I thought it would be a good time to take off the filter now and wait and see what happens. Water everywhere. It would not stop coming out. So I had to go ahead and put a towel down until it soaked up all of the water. Then I went ahead and took out the filter, and look at this, you guys. It was absolutely nasty. You guys, I can't even believe I'm sharing this with you guys. So I went ahead and just rinsed it under the sink and then took some Dawn Power Wash to it, and it got really, really clean. Here is the after shot. And then I wanted to go ahead and clean just the other parts of the filter, like the door and that sort of thing. And so I'm just going ahead again using some Dawn Power Wash and getting that all clean. So now that I got that all clean, I'm going to head back to this. It has been on for about 15 to 20 minutes, using my toothbrush and just rinsing everything out before doing a cleaning cycle. I went ahead and did a clean and rinse cycle a couple times before doing a load of laundry. So here's the incredible before and after. I know it's not perfect, but it looks so much better. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this extreme clean with me and learned how to clean your washing machine. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button. We'll see you next time. Bye.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess.